Friends, welcome back to my channel. After some days I came up with a new video. Today I am going to draw an 3D drawing. For the past few videos I am drawing in charcoal and graphite bases. So today I am going to draw an 3D drawing in color pencils again. Then friends, we are going to post this video as 49th video, so the next video is going to be 50th video and we are not far away to 500. So just if you are new to this channel, please subscribe below and join with my lovely YouTube family and support me. Then that video is going to be awesome, so please stay tuned until that video is out. The video is going to be out on Wednesday, so that is going to be a tribute video for an insane person. Just stay tuned, friends. Friends, you all know that I am posting a regular tutorial video on every Friday for the past 3 weeks. So from now I'm not going to do like that because the video is literally not going that much popular and I can't get any views. For the past video also I just got only 39 views till now, so it is not that much well. So I'm not going to post a tutorial video on every Fridays. You also could be bored of that because every tutorial video will be on longer duration, so you might be unlike that. So I'm just going to delay the process until we enter to a little bit huge family. I'm not going to post any tutorial videos regularly. I meant I will not post every Friday, so I'll post a tutorial video periodically. So hope you understand my situation, friends, about this drawing. So after a long time I'm drawing 3D art. When I started this channel I had drawn some of 3D drawings and tutorials too, but after some time I had started the work of doing hyper realistic drawings and realistic drawings in graphite and charcoal basis. So I think of to create an 3D art again, so I can't get any new ideas or insane ideas like setuping a model or anything. So I just picked up this shampoo sachet which is left behind me and a couple of days ago, and I just drawn it and recorded it. So I didn't expect this video on previous day. Usually I'll plan a drawing on previous day itself, but this art I didn't expect a lot. Then I'm on the way. Even though I'm not getting a lot of subscribers for a single video or getting a lot of views, I'm just posting videos for my little YouTube family. I want to grow it to a vast YouTube family. It is on your hands, my friends. Please support me and subscribe me if you are new to this channel. Then leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, but before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. I'm just reminding you again. Thanks for watching, friends.